There's his hat. There's his black mask.
Take my mask off.
Wow, there he is. Look it, here he comes.
Take my backpack off.
Wow, Adam.
Turn it off.
Yeah, now he's taking it off. Yeah, his backpack.
Look at his air tank. Here it comes. There it goes. Cool. Here goes his jacket. See how heavy it is.
Much like I used to have steel bottles when I started.
Oh.
Wow.
Then he went to fiberglass and aluminum. Now
Hey, there's Steve, Adam. There he is.
perfect because he got lighters. I got.
Wow.